We're at Walmart and we need to get a few things for our house. But guys, here's the thing. I love the fact that I'm able to come to Walmart without worrying about checking my bank account balance. I love the fact that I don't have to be the no mom anymore. My son is putting things in the cart, and guys, it's only because I decided to get out of my stinking thinking and to take a chance at digital marketing. I'm able to enjoy days like this and do whatever, whenever, and live life on my terms and just have a great, calm day with my son. And it's all because of my business. My business is fully automated and it works for me 24/7 in the background. This is what freedom looks like, guys. And it's not only financial freedom. It's the fact that you get to spend every second living life on your own terms, not worrying about reporting to a 9-to-5 job, not worrying about rushing through traffic or finding sitters for your kids or putting them in camp during the summer. So if you're tired of your 9-to-5, if you're tired checking your bank account and tired struggling and tired of your 9-to-5 robbing you of time away from your family, I want to help you. I want to be able to share the same skills that I have learned that has allowed me to gain back my financial freedom and my time freedom. So if this sounds like you, I want you to put ready in the comments and I would love to send you more details.